Hello everyone. My name is Bonnet Timonton, and welcome to today's video tutorial, where we will create a Java program that implement basic operation for both array and linked list. And by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how array and linked list work, but also how to perform essential operation on this data structure, such as the insertion, deletion, and traversal. So, before we dive into the coding, what is the array and linked list? Array is a collection of elements of all the same type stored in the contiguous memory location. They are easy to use and provide efficient access to elements through indexing. However, arrays have a fixed size, which means once they are created, you cannot change their size. While in linked list, on the other hand, are a dynamic data structure that consist of nodes, which nodes contains data and a reference, which what we call our pointer to the next node in the sequence. And then this allows for efficient insertion and deletion. As you don't need to shift element like an array. So, how do they work? Ang array is allow for 0 to 1 one-time complicity for accessing element, which is very efficient. However, inserting or deleting element take 0 or none time because element may need to be shifted, while in linked list provide 0 or 1 time complicity for insertion and deletion if you have a pointer to the node where you want to insert or delete. However, accessing an element takes 0 or none time, as you have to traverse from the head node to the desired node. So, for more better understanding about aning array and linked list, na ako'y Gicode na ko daan ni for less time consume para po dili tag-as ang atong video. So what we have here is the nag-import ta og java.util linked list, which is, and also the util scanner. So kaning linked list is to purpose to import linked list from the Java collection framework, and also import scanner for user input. Para kaning user scanner, kaning util scanner, diri ta kuan ni siya para ta maka-input. And then next is our main class. Here are the main class, and then muna siya i-create a main class, and then kaning public static void is our method to demonstrate array operation. Yan. And now this line kaning int array is equals to 10 is the purpose ani is to initialize um an array operation to integer. So next is the kani system that auto print original array. Kani siya is purpose for displaying the original array. Later on mo appear man na sila. And then what have here an array. Next is the what we call this the kaning line. Serve ang purpose ani is to insert a new element at index 2. So later on makita ninyo ning index 2 nag-insert siya 25. So insert a new new element at index 2. Then index 2. Next is the method to add the new element. After aning insert sa kaning insert an element, tungo na sad ta sa we call this to create kani siya is purpose ani is to create and siya mo responsible for creating a new array with one additional element. Yan. Next, kaning for loop is purpose ani is to copy the element up to the insert index. To copy, copy the element up to the inserting up to the what we call this the insert index indexed. So next, we have here the method to create diri nga line. The kaninga block of code is they're responsible for adding the new element. element, new element, and then yes, and then kani siya is purpose ani nga block of code is siya responsible for what you call that, the displaying the updated array. Updated array, siya mag-display sa updated array, which is the array after insertion. Later on i-print niya, display the updated array. So next, we have here after sa insertion sa array natay of course the deleting. Now ang purpose ani siya mo siya pag-delete to delete the index number 3. So the purpose of this is to delete the index number 3. As you can see, naka-indicate there is delete index equals to 3. Yan. Delete delete the element, delete in at index 3. Index 3. Next, kani purpose for this for loop is to siyang mag-copy sa element after the deleting index. After the delete index. So next is the what you call this, kani. So it is kani siya an assistant at print. Siya ang responsible for displaying the update array. As you can see here, the naka-indicate array after deletion. Purpose is this display the updated array. Now let's next is our next method, the linked list. This method is our linked list operation. This method, again, siya responsible to demonstrate linked list operation. So, its method to indicate because method to demonstrate linked list operation. Yan. Next is the kani siyang line of code. Siya ang responsible sa the linked list. Siya ang responsible for creating a linked list of integer. Creating a linked list of integer. And then kaning block of code 3 kaning linked list that add, siya ang responsible for adding elements to the linked list. Now next is kani siya the siya kaning block of code kaning system that printed original linked list. This responsible for displaying the original displaying the call that the displaying the updated linked list. Yes, that's it. Next is kani this code, this part of code right here, kani siya is purpose ani is to insert the to call that the is to insert a new element at index 2. Insert a new element at index 2. Yan. Index 2. Next, we have after inserting napunta removing, which is responsible with this linked list that remove. Siya responsible for deleting element in index number 3. Delete the element at index number 3. Yan. At linked list. Now, lastly, we have the create ano siya, main method our method to execute execute method to execute the two operation. Here we have the array operation. Purpose ani is siya perform linked list perform array operation, and same as the linked list operation right here, perform linked list operation. And then our scanner close, and then scanner, yes. So overall, this is the finished code na siya. Hope na masabtan ninyo akong mga pang-explanation niya. And now, if parano na to, yan. As you can see, we have the array operation and then the linked list operation. So in array operation, the original array 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Now, in array after insertion 10, 20, and then the 25 we insert, and then 30 and 40. Now, in array after deletion 10, 20, 25, and then 40, and lastly the 50. As you can see, the element 30 has been removed and the 25 has been inserted. Now in linked list, same as the process, original linked list 10, 20, 30, and 40, 50. Linked list after insertion, the element 25 has been inserted and then the 30 has been removed. So the explanation of this flow of the code, we import what do you call this, the yes, kani siya. We imported the necessary classes from the Java collection framework and scanner class for user input. And then we have nag-create diri sa main class, which is the niya, kaning pangalan niya, the encapsulated. This the array and linked list operation class encapsulate our program. And then the array operation, in our program, the array operation, we created an array we created an array and display original element. We also created to insert an element. We also created a new array to copy element up to the insertion index, And then we also created an insert the new element and copy the remaining element. Now to delete, we in array we created to delete element, we also create another way, another new array copying all element except the one at the deletion index. Now in linked list, here the linked list operation, we created a linked list and add some initial elements. Here, ini siya, makita ninyo. And then we also use the add index element method to insert an element at specified index. Yan. And then here, muna siya. We also use the remove index method to delete an element from the linked list. Here, muna siya. And lastly, our main method. The main method calls the array and linked list operation sequentially and uses the scanner to read input. Although in this simplified example, we aren't utilizing user input. So sad. So I think that's all for this discussion. That's it for today's tutorial on implementing basic operation of array and linked list in Java. So you have learned how to create, insert and delete element in both data structure. If you have any question or comment, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more programming tutorial. And that's all for the video. Happy coding!